Hey there, Scott Melgren here with SkipperBud's up in Oshkosh. One of our new listings. This is just in on consignment. It's a 2008 FourWinns 200 Horizon single axle trailer. Boat is in actually very, very nice shape for the age. Looks like it just came out of our showroom in 2008. It does come with a nice spare swing tongue trailer. Does have the Volvo Penta engine. Does have a spare prop with it as well. Nice easy boarding ladder. We'll jump up on board here. A nice little walk-through area right here that you can walk through in the boat. Sports seating, so you got the nice bow area up here. Engine here. Boat's got 55 hours on it. So that's very low hours. Got the engine hitch here. So you got nice storage on both sides here. Nice little sun pad here that flips out. Does have bolsters on both seats. Nice glove box. Of course, your dashboard is rated for 8 people. So, beautiful FourWinns. Does come with some gear. It's got some skis and an anchor and everything here. A little paddle. Nice Sony stereo. Bimini top. There are full covers for it as well. Snap in, snap out carpet. Fire extinguishers included as well. Yeah, there you go. If you have any other further interest on this boat or any other on our website, please give us a call. We are happy to assist at all times.